the gate, and we should know that this is actually evil at this time. You can't think, how will you just imagine allowing an excavator into this estate when almost all the houses have been marked that they've been taken over by the court. Here, look at the landlords here. Look at every landlord here. Look at the landlords here coming out and insisting that this excavator should enter into the gate. It is evil. This is evil. This is sheer wickedness. It's sheer wickedness. Who will permit this? It's Magodo phase 2 right now. Right, live here in Magodo GRA phase 2. You can see the excavator parked right here in front of the gate. I believe that some people are trying to perpetrate evil right here in Magodo phase 2. You can see the excavator. You can see. Now, what happened here today is that several armed policemen came into the estate with some people that guided them and then walked them through the estate. Landlords, all of them standing here. So they came into the estate with the action that no one can actually phantom at the
and the court is aside. That is not valid. That's what is on appeal now. So until that is done, they cannot come and take any position here. We are still at the court of appeal. The matter is still on. It comes up in the February 2022. Until that judgment is given, that is, and the government says they can execute. And even if the government cannot consider that they even have the judgment that says they should take land in this estate, they must go to court against individuals to take possession from them. They can't just use a general what's it called? To say they are. You must take individuals to court and get judgment against them to exclude them from the property. I believe the government is aware of it. They are aware of it. I believe so. I don't know what they're playing. I believe they are aware.
So if they're asking for
it's not possible. It's not possible. And I like that very well. It's not our own is that there's no legal, there's no any court order which empowers them to come and take it.
Some houses have been marked.
They have the right to mark. We are going to.
Sorry, what's the name again?
Thank you very much. I want you to talk to her. She's part of our legal team.
Okay.
I'm also a resident.
My name is
You just
George Taylor.
you just had. I thought about the conference.
I actually believe that this was a violation. I believe that this was They have rubbish the authority. Like taking advantage of all sorts of problems and trees. They came here, armed policemen, threatened and harassed residents. They came here, going from house to house without showing a single document, defacing property after property, choosing the random selections. What do I say?
Take them to court. They didn't take us to court. We are not involved in this case. But we are behind the brunt of inaction of government. We are pleading one, because there are two actors here, the police and the government. All we can do is that we try to protect ourselves legally, but at the same time, that's what they call political solution to things. We are pleading to Adeiga family to please allow our residents to stay, to live in peace, and face Lagos State government so that they can get what the courts, what is due to them through the courts. And for Lagos State government, I think any responsible government should not allow its citizens to suffer like this. This is unfair.
Okay, may I ask one?
I'm the chairman. I've gone through this in over the years, even before I became chairman. This year as chairman, I've been to all police formations. Adega family, they are resorting to self-help, trying to punish us so that they can get Lagos State government to accede to what the judgment said. But we are the one that is being punished. So it's not worked. Our people can't go to work. If you just go outside our gate here, you see a bulldozer there. They brought it in yesterday. To do what? To start demolishing our houses. And because if government is supposed to protect us, how can they allow people to bring bulldozers to want to demolish our houses? And nobody's here. We have spoken to anybody in Nigeria. We have reached out to everybody. If you call anybody now, they say we are aware of it. We are on top of it. What are you doing about it? Nobody can tell us. Commissioners, we have everything. There's hardly anybody in Nigeria, probably except the president, that might not be aware. And we feel very bad. We are appealing to everybody to tell the Lagos State government to please solve this case. If Lagos State government has a political will, this case will have been solved a very long time. But we believe that as governor, as government, nobody can fight government. Yes, nobody can fight government, but we have been punished for government not doing what is right. So our appeal to the governor and to the Lagos State government is to please sit down with the family and solve this case. We are not part of the case. We spend our money, we spend our time, we are in court because they tried to enforce this judgment some 2 years ago. The lady that spoke with me, she was the one that was handling this case in the law firm that represents us. And what is doing anything about it? And we feel very bad about it. My name is Baki Oshinobi. Thank you very much.
Last time, I they follow now, and I don't call inside this.
Yeah. What's happened? I see now they fight for yesterday. What's happened?
No, we don't fight. Those guys, they eat themselves. So, and they don't drink, so the guys calm them.
Okay, I see you, but I
don't
know who it is. Only you I know where I. So I don't just want to come to.
One guy there, I'm the way I know. We don't say it's months.